Hello everyone, and today's recipe is going to be pasta forno, which basically means baked pasta. Now everyone does it differently, but from the deep south where we come from, this is how we make it. Right, first of all the ingredients. The Trinity: carrot, celery and 1 onion. Peas, cup of peas. Chopped tomatoes. 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, parmesan, parmigiano, basil, basilico, 500 grams of minced pork, 500 grams of minced beef, glass of white wine or red wine. It's up to you. I haven't got red, so I'm going to use white. And 3 mozzarella di bufalo. Okay, that's the of course your pasta. That's the ingredients. Now we're going to start cooking. So we're going to start off by frying off the Trinity. Put a bit of extra virgin olive oil in the pan. Okay, so we're going to put in our Trinity, which is the onions and the carrot and the celery. So, no particular order. It's all going to fry off nicely and be transparent. Put that in. Put the onions in. Remember, no garlic here. I don't use garlic. Right. Now look in here, that's all gone nice and transparent. Now we're going to add the meat. Minced pork goes in. And minced beef. Let's get rid of these. You start. Right, so let's have a look. Now this is the consistency you want of the meat. You see? It's all broken up. Keep stirring it. Turn the heat up now. Okay. Now at this point, get your wine. Remember, red or white, and just put in a glug. That's all you need. Right, so most of that wine, the alcohol's all evaporated. See? So now we're going to add the tomato puree now. So, get your tomato puree. So there's about 2 tablespoons, or even a little bit more. Like so, and give it a stir. Mix it all in. Right, so the puree is all mixed in. Okay, see that? Beginning to take shape. Look at that. Now you can add your tomatoes now. So, or your peas. What I'll do is add your peas in. Give it a little stir. And then your tomatoes. Now with this bit I'm going to put some water in. Like that. And there we go, that goes in. And then we're going to season it with salt, pepper and a little bit of sugar. Right, salt, about a tablespoon. Some basil. And some black pepper. Where's the black pepper? There we go. Loads of black pepper and a little pinch of sugar. A little bit of sugar just to sweeten up. There we go. Give it a stir. And now we're going to put the lid on. Again, always put the lid on. That's what you want. When it's bubbling like that, put the lid on like this. Leave a little gap. So basically, and then you want it on a low heat, and leave that for about 2 to 3 hours on a low to medium heat. More low than medium. Sauce is done. If you have a look in here, that's your sauce with the meat. Water's boiling for the pasta. Off with the lid, put a bit of salt in, so I put in about 1, 2, that's about just under 2 tablespoons. Get your pasta ready, and then I'm using rigatoni because you need a good strong pasta for this. So 1 and 2. That's a kilo of pasta because I've got a lot of people eating today. So pasta forno, a kilo of pasta, loads of sauce, mix, and we'll wait. Right, so the pasta's done, we've drained it. I'm going to mix everything up in here because there's a lot of pasta. So I'm going to go in with the sauce. We're not going to put all of it in. So I'm going to go in like that. And then we're going to mix it up. Right, so we're going to put it all in here, so it's actually going like this. Not all of it. Stop. And then we're going to smooth it out. At this point, some of the egg. Some of the mozzarella. Parmesan, parmigiano. Bit more pasta now. This is grated mozzarella, goes on the top like so. Some silver foil over it, like so. That's one. And then in the oven for about 30 minutes. So open the oven and bada bing, bada bang. There we go, let that stay in there. Perfect. Right, it's been about half an hour. Let's get the pasta forno out. Ah. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Mmm. So all we need to do now is cut it up and serve it. Subscribe. Products. I've got my godson here, Roberto. Roberto, what do you think?
Ah, it's divine. Look.
Taste it.
Look.
I'll taste it, but there.
Had it, yeah.
Good. Daroso, non ti può levare in bocca. Alla salute. È un vino.